So we got our stuff prepped from yesterday. Okay, we're gonna snip the tip off a little bit as we need. Defrost it a little bit, okay? Put down there, and now I'm gonna use my silicone baking mat with the circles. We run out of these, okay? So I'm gonna always twist here, twist until it gets tight like we've done with other applications. Okay, I'm gonna go down here and just use my finger to direct and squeeze from here. And just go, just like the guy in the room, just like lump it like that. It's a little cold, so I'm pushing a little harder than usual. Okay. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of water with my finger and make sure they're all kind of stuck down. My dough is still a little cold, but it doesn't matter, it'll be all right. Yours I pulled out, all right, so make sure there's no points so we can get them nice and rounded. Okay. Remember, we're not putting the egg wash because we don't want it to get too brown, okay? So I'm gonna finish these up and we're gonna put these in the oven for 400 for about 25 to 30 minutes. So as I'm waiting, I have my whipped cream ready to go. I put in a piping bag, you don't have to, but you could just spoon it in. All right, I also prepped my berries. I washed and patted them dry. I have the sliced strawberries, the blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Remember, the raspberries are very delicate, okay? So please don't wash them, scrub them like you're cleaning dry beans or something. Just treat them very delicately, okay? So these guys just came out of the oven. They're looking pretty good. Let them cool for a minute. You can see the hot spot in my oven here. We kind of got these a little too dark. These are right. We'll just cover them with a little powdered sugar. All right. That's why when you're baking, you want to put in the middle to low rack. This one I put in the high rack, so you can see some of them got burnt. But these came out pretty nice. And if you hear at the bottom, you can hear that hollow, crispy thing. So I'm gonna let these guys cool off for a minute, and then I'm gonna fill them up. Also, real quick, let's just open one up so we can see the pocket on the inside. It's nice and hollow. You see all that air there. Kind of crush it, but that's what we're looking for. All right, so we can make a hole and fill it, or we can slice it and fill it, which we'll do in a second. Okay, so let's prep some of these guys here. This one I'm going to do classic way. Just put a little hole in the bottom, and then we can fill it with either our pastry cream, or in this case, our whipped cream. Oh, just put that in there, just put it there, and just lightly push. You don't want to overfill it. So just as it starts peeking out, that's a little too much, so we'll just take some of that off. All right, now you can put it down like that. So that's your regular cream puff right there. Okay. If you were to cut it in half, you could see on the inside how it looks. It's a little gooey because it's still a little hot. All right, let me just show you one more with the berries. All right, so again, now you can hear the bottom. It's nice and hollow. All right, so this one, make more like a sandwich. We're just gonna go in carefully with one of our knives. Just open it up, almost like a bread roll. Okay, just open it up. We can see how nice and open that is and how airy, okay? So I'm going to just put a little bit of cream here on the bottom. All right, so like that. Maybe just a little bit on top here. Oops, we'll fix that in the end. All right. Okay. Look at this, and get our sliced strawberries. Just place a few in there. Nice like this, so they could actually be sticking out as well. And then we'll cover it up like that. Okay. All right, that one's a little messy. Use a serrated knife this time, get a better cut. Okay, these are still hot, so that's why all this stuff is coming out. All right, we'll just put a little bit of cream. Okay. Maybe some strawberry here, blackberry there, maybe a raspberry on top, some of these blueberries. You actually glaze this and leave it open faced, okay? You can kind of do it like one of these off center things. Okay, maybe just a little bit of powdered sugar. Okay. I have a plate with garnish, which we'll learn about more. This is a easy way to swirl with a little chocolate sauce, and you spin the plate, and you get that nice effect. Okay. And if you want to put some more berries around, okay. A little bit minimalist here, okay. But it's up to you how you want to do this stuff. All right, and we'll do a bunch more. All right, so good luck with that.